Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello guys and welcome to TechLeapy. Today I'm gonna tell you about how private browsing is not as private as you think it is. I'm talking about browsers incognito mode in Android devices, which we all have been using for privately browsing the internet. Even though they say it's incognito and it's not supposed to record any browsing data, your activity is actually being recorded. That's creepy. So without any further ado, let's first look at the most famous mobile browser, Google Chrome. So let's open Chrome. Now let's open a new incognito window and let's watch a YouTube video. Okay, TechLeapy. Oops. Okay, and let's watch this attack video. Okay, and the video is playing. Okay, now let's check out the notification, and here we can see that there is some kind of notification regarding a video being played. Now let's close the incognito window, and now we're gonna check out this app called Notification History. Let's fire it up, and okay, I'll select it later, and select Notification History. And look, what do we have here? Our data is being logged here, including the video's name. Well, that's more than enough information to know what the person was browsing about. There goes our private browsing and some people's special stuff. Well, you know what I mean. Now let's try this with Firefox. So now open Firefox and let's open a new private tab and play a YouTube video. Okay, let's try TechLeapy again, and this time a different video. And let's pause the video and let's see if there's anything in the notification. Well, there's nothing. Let's play it again. And voila, there's something in the notification. And let's check it out in our notification history application. And let's see. And wow, the same story here. There you go. Even in the incognito mode of Firefox, you're not privately browsing. The entries are being made in the notification log, and you can perfectly see the name of the video. So apparently these private / incognito modes are not so incognito after all. All of your browsing data, I mean, if not all, at least some of the data is being logged inside the notification, and that's more than enough for someone to find out what you have been doing. Now a little note to all those young guys whose big brothers and sisters were always bossing around and bullying them. Now you guys have a way to get back at them. Good luck with that. You can thank me later. Now all jokes apart, this is quite a bit of a problem. So what's the solution? Well, there is one. Try Firefox's Focus browser for Android. Okay, next, whatever. We don't need a private window here as the whole browser is working in incognito mode. Okay, let's open YouTube here. And let's try our TechLeapy's video. TechLeapy, oops, Leapy. Yeah, now let's try this new video, Go Wahoo Attack. Okay, it's playing. And let's check the notification. and there's nothing in the notification other than, oh, it's giving us a button to erase the browsing history. Well, let's further go through the video, and still there's nothing in the notification. Now let's pause the video and let's go ahead and check our notification history log. Opening notification, and voila, there is no entry for that video. Well, that's good. There's only an entry which says the focus browser was open, and there's nothing regarding the video or the tab. That's good. Now, that's more like a private browsing. Let's check the video again. Okay, it's playing. Still nothing in the notification log. So, until Google comes up with an update to fix the incognito mode so that it won't put an entry in the notification history log, to keep our private browsing private, let's stick with this little browser. Now I'm wondering, why did Mozilla made a completely different browser instead of adding this feature into their main browser? Pretty odd. Well, anyway, that's all for this video. If you like this, then give us a thumbs up. And for any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your real private browsing.